Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a very quick one. So this is a 2021 Honda Accord 1.5 turbo engine. I get P0301, and just Googling that, I see a bunch of issues right down to the simple things, which you would think is just a coil pack. So that's the number one cylinder right there. But before you do that, let the engine get nice and cold. The next morning, come out, pop your radiator cap, and if you see no level, and your diagnose bottle, which is this bottle right here that the black hose is going into that cap, is empty, that means it's drawn all that antifreeze into this radiator already. That's your head tank, that's your level, and then has slowly brought this level down also. And what it's doing is there's a slow leak in your head gasket. So in this instance, it's probably cylinder number one. It's getting wet. It's just a barely weeping by when the engine's off. So I notice it first thing in the morning when you go to start it up, it stumbles and then clears up. It's just burning all that antifreeze off that weeped in overnight. And then when you're driving it, it's fine because it's such a slow leak, but you will get to the point where your radiator, your antifreeze level isn't present anymore. So this is supposed to be covered, certified pre-owned. I guess I'm going to test that right now. I'm going to drop it off Honda today and see what they say. But hopefully this helps you guys. Hopefully this isn't the issue, but it seems to be an inherent issue with these 1.5 turbo engines. All right, thanks guys. All right guys, well here's the update. I got the car back. They actually had it for 3 days. Replaced the head gasket. Can't really tell. I'm surprised they don't like steam clean the engines after they're done, but still filthy. The diagnose bottle does have coolant in it now. It's not shaking when I fire it up, so I guess it's fixed. Hopefully it's not a reoccurring issue. I've kind of searched the end of the internet to see if it's, after it's been repaired, if it's a reoccurring problem, and I haven't seen that yet. So I'm debating whether to just trade this thing in or not. But here's the proof of what's going on. One head gasket is blown, cylinder one, and I brought it in with the cylinder one Misfire. And like I said, the diagnose bottle was empty. And then when it was cold, I pulled the cap and I could see the top of the core, no fluid in it, so it was pretty obvious it was the head gasket. I also pulled the spark plug and it looked steam cleaned. So I mean, the writing was on the wall. So here's everything they did: Honda bond, gasket kit for the cylinder head, oil filter, the drain for the drain plug, synthetic oil, filter assembly. I'm not really sure what that one's for. I don't know. 10mm nuts. But anyway, so that's the deal, guys. Misfire, cylinder one. Check your coolant. I guess these 1.5 turbos do have issues with head gaskets, but hopefully this helps you guys. It's a 10th gen Honda Accord 2001 with 66,000 miles. Thanks, guys.